Hey everybody, welcome back to the Activity Channel. I'm your host Chris, and today I'm here with Naomi Hurdle, and we're going to be thinking with our feet using these great adapted sports balls.
In today's activities, we are focusing on dribbling, kicking, and trapping, but using an inclusive lens. Participants have the opportunity to dribble with their feet, but they're going to use either a slow motion soccer ball, a bump ball, or even a success ball.
All right, so inclusion is the name of the game, and we've got some great activities that are very inclusive coming up next on the Activity Channel.
So the next activity that we're gonna do, we're gonna focus on dribbling, kicking, and trapping, all right? So the first game that we're going to play is kind of a game of keep away. Everybody is going to have their own ball that you are going to be kicking and trapping between your feet. So right now, we're just dribbling. So you're just dribbling with your feet. You can move with the insides of your feet, with the side of your feet. So that's the first step. We're just playing keep away. We're trying not to run into anybody. So if you all look around, you see this space, you see the cones, that's the space we have to stay in. Dribble around in your space. Yep. Moving around, moving around, moving around. So now Savannah and I, we're gonna be moving around like this, and I'm gonna try to be kicking her ball out of the way while I'm dribbling mine. I'm gonna get to Matt's, I'm gonna try and kick his away. Okay, the goal is to try to kick somebody's out of the space here. You kick it out, you go get your ball, you come back in again. Ready? Ready? Ooh. Come on, Matt. Come on, Matt. Come on, Matt. Come on, Matt. But with this, we're going to be kicking to a target. So again, you have an option of different types of balls that you can use. So when we're kicking to a target, does anybody know some of the cues that we're going to use? Feet. Feet. Great. Yes. So we're going to start with our feet. You're going to step beside the ball. Okay, you're going to hit it with the shoelaces, okay? So step aside, hit with the shoelaces, follow through, okay? So we're just gonna go back and forth with that one to start. Ready, set, here we go. There you go, okay. 2 points, come get it. Yes! There you go. All right, now you both have been able to get it. Let's move it back a little bit. All right, this is too easy. I'm gonna move it back now. Okay, so for this next activity, if you just have two people, you're just gonna kick back and forth. Okay, so we're gonna step to the side. Now we're gonna hit with the inside of our foot. Okay, so once you pass, when there's 3 people, you're gonna come run, you're gonna follow your pass. So either way, you can come onto this side or this side, you're gonna run behind me. So you pass it to me, now run behind me. Okay, so I'm passing it. Okay, now you're gonna pass it. Go ahead, step with the inside of your foot. Perfect, now you're gonna go run behind Savannah. Same thing, trap it. You wanna bring that ball in and cushion it, because if it comes here and hits straight into our foot, it's gonna bounce off. Okay, so you can just pass to Kevin. Sorry, I wasn't clear. Pass to Kevin. Yep. And then Kevin, you're just gonna trap it. Perfect, and then pass it back. There you go. Yep, nice little trap. If you can make 3 successful passes in a row, you can take a big step back. Okay, 3, perfect. Now take a big step back. Now you both can take a big step back. There you go. Now, with the different types of balls that you were using, some of them you might have noticed, one of the, like that big ball, the bump ball with the little bumps on the outside, that one, Matt, was that a little bit more difficult to control and kick? Yeah, because it was a little bit lighter, a little bit bigger, it was bouncier. So that one was actually probably a higher level challenged ball, which meant you had to cushion really easily, you had to trap it a lot nicer, right? So there's all different types of ways and strategies that we can use when practicing different kicking and dribbling and trapping with our feet.